Alrighty, see, I'm filming now. This is the blizzard of 2022. It is solid ice under all of this. Come out here into the street. People down there are working. People up here probably shoveling. We're shoveling too. The three of us. Amazon tried to make us go. Well, Amazon did open back up, but we ain't been to work in the last 2 days because of this. It's pure ice under all of this. Our county is in red, so we're not able to go into work. I still wasn't in the system, so I had to call ERC. Yeah, I'll continue this when I get inside, but it's snow's pretty hectic. It's pretty damn cold out here too.